evening, my name is Carlo, and tonight I'm going to relive my favorite childhood memory by making chocolate chip cookies. But first, here are the ingredients. You have to cream the butter and mix the sugar.
Eibeyondatrack, yeah.
Second, you add the eggs and the vanilla. Then you add the baking soda and the all-purpose flour. Then we'll add the chocolate chips. So, buo na yung cookie dough natin. We have to chill it first before we bake it. After chilling it, now we're gonna shape it. As a kid, I used to look forward kay mom tsaka kay dad na yung mga pasalubong nila. Mostly kasi cookies. Pero particularly nun, Chips Ahoy. Tapos favorite ko yung pinaka, yung standard na pack, yung blue. Pero madalas iba't ibang varieties. Kaya si kuya, favorite niya yung nasa red na pack, yung chewy. Tapos ako, eventually, naging favorite ko yun nandun sa brown na pack, yung, yung chunky. Sobrang sarap kasi nun. So, ito namang, and back to the cookie. Kasi ito, kaya siya chinil. It's for the butter to spread. Tsaka yun, don't forget to chill the cookie dough first before baking. Kasi pag hindi nyo siya chinil, ang tendency is mas kakalat, mag-spread out yung cookie nyo. Baka maging ostya yan sa huli. So, don't forget to chill the dough. And after shaping or forming our cookies, we will bake it at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So, yun. And tip pala, huwag ninyong pipiratin yung cookies kasi mag-spread out pa siya. So, yun yung job ng butter. Kaya siya magsasolid. Kaya kailangan niyang ma-chill first. Para pag binake, mag-spread out siya, forming your cookie. So, ito na yung formed cookies natin. So, irregular shape siya. Or ilagay ko na lang using the spoon. Pwede namang ice cream scooper. Kung ano yung gusto nyo. Pwedeng maliit, pwedeng malaki, pwedeng sobrang laki. Yung bahala. So, we'll bake it at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So here is our chocolate chip cookies, and it best describes my childhood because ito yung laging pasalubong sa akin ng parents ko. And of course, madali siyang gawin, masarap, lalo na pag dinunk mo sa milk. Pero dahil lactose intolerant ako, sa coffee na lang. So, I guess this is the end of my vlog. Bye!